In living color. That's how scientists first saw a chromosome. They stained a cell with dye, and voila! Some parts of the cell held that color. Chromo comes from the word color in a very old language. Some comes from the word body in that old language. What does a chromosome do? Chromosomes are the recipe books of life. They hold all of the genes and DNA in one neat package, which determine your traits. And guess what? Each teeny tiny cell has over 6 feet of DNA. You're probably thinking, how can 6 feet of DNA fit into something so tiny? Think about your grandmother's cookbook. If you open it up, ripped out every recipe, and lined these recipes end to end, the book would be very long. Now that's a problem. And it's messy. Instead, let's hold those recipes together with a binder. A chromosome works like a book binder. A chromosome is also like a yo-yo. DNA winds itself around special proteins. These proteins squeeze, wrap, and twist together in a very special way. And there you have it. That's a chromosome, a long book of DNA recipes, keeping your grandma's secrets and your DNA safe.